Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a quick, easy garlic Parmesan salmon bite. This recipe can be made for any get-together or if you want something quick. So let me show you guys how to do it before we dive in. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's get started. All right guys, to begin, I have a whole salmon fillet here that I am going to cut into bite size. Make sure it's nicely skinless. I'm pretty sure you can use skin on too, but I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Just going to cut it just like so into small bite size. Now this is perfect for any quick meal or get together. I'm going to cut it right in the middle. It doesn't have to be precise, really. Like this. That's perfect. Just like so. I'm going to continue cutting them until I am completely done. I have the salmon nice and cut down. I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there just to help the seasoning stick on the salmon. So I'm going to drizzle. Give that a nice mix just like so, just to make sure the oil is nicely coated to the salmon. And now I have my seasonings. Here I have a few. I have onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, paprika, Creole seasoning, of course. And also I have some parsley, ground black pepper, if I didn't say that already. I will leave everything down below, but I am going to mix it before I sprinkle it all over the salmon. Now we're going to sprinkle the seasoning just like so. Mix it up together, flip it over, and season some more. This recipe is extremely easy. I think anyone can make this so quick and easy. Now you can make this in the air fryer as well. However, we are going to pan sear these salmon bites. Alrighty, mix it up just like that. Now, once you have the salmon nice and well seasoned, we are ready to pan sear them. I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I am going to drizzle some olive oil in there, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now be sure to not overcook your fish because it might be a little bit dry if you overcook it. So I'm going to cook them for about 2 minutes per side. All right guys, the salmon looking absolutely beautiful. It's time to flip them over. It's been about 2 minutes, so let me flip them over. It smells so good, okay? So I'm going to flip that one over. Just like this. Be very careful so you don't break them. Especially the large pieces. They tend to break easily. So carefully flip them over. Now we're gonna wait for another 2 minutes so we can take them out. All right guys, it's time to remove the salmon. They're looking absolutely beautiful. I wanna take a bite right now. And of course, they're smelling amazing. And you have like crispy on the outside and the inside is nice and flaky and delicious. Now I can't help it. I have to taste a little piece. I gotta try this one out. It just smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Anyways, that is delicious, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drain some of this oil. It's too much because we are doing like a butter base. So I'm going to drain some of that. Not in your sink, set it aside in a small bowl, okay? Now we're going to place this right back on here. I have about 3 tablespoons of butter here. It's unsalted. I am going to add it to my skillet. I'm going to melt that up. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic in here. Give it a stir. Once the garlic starts to fragrance a bit, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Okay, this is a garlic Parmesan. And also I'm going to add some fresh parsley in here. Now, guess what I'm doing next? I am going to add in my salmon right in there. Just like that. Give it a little mix. Just like so, carefully. Carefully. And at this point, you can turn off your stove and just baste the salmon with the butter. And at this point, your salmon bite, they're ready. All right. All right, guys, it's time for the moment of truth. The salmon bites are nice and done. I had a little bit of the salmon already. I know it's delicious. But when you combine it with that garlic Parmesan sauce, butter sauce, I know it's going to be like a whole nother level. So let's give it a try. Shall we? Let's do it. Alrighty. Wow. This is so good. This is like so good. For something that easy to taste this good, you must try this. You must try this, okay? Extremely easy, but irresistibly delicious. This only took me about 30 minutes, like literally. I hope you can try it out soon. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. Let's get it to 1,000 likes. I know you can do it. Leave me a comment down below. How do you like to make your salmon bite? If you have any suggestion for me as well, like what do you want me to make with salmon? Leave it down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys. I have the salmon here, nice plated. Ugh.